Hi everyone, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. We just got done installing that 4K bullet IP camera that you see behind me. The model number is IPB8. It's a 4K resolution indoor-outdoor 3.6 millimeter lens that provides a really nice wide overview. We use it to monitor this front area right in front of our office, basically these 6 parking spaces out here. Take a look at the demo video surveillance footage I captured with it. Here's the video surveillance footage that I recorded with this IP camera connected to one of our Viewtron 4K NVRs. You can see that the camera's 3.6 millimeter lens captures a wide angle of view. For reference, this section of sidewalk in front of our office is 62 feet wide. As with any security camera, the closer that a person gets to the camera, the more realistic that a facial recognition level of detail becomes. This camera is enclosed in an outdoor IP67 weatherproof rated housing, which holds up very well in humid, wet environments. Here's the nighttime video surveillance footage that I recorded. The first thing worth noting is that our parking lot is lit sufficiently enough that the IR night vision of the camera is not used. This is a typical situation for many outdoor commercial security camera installations. I'll make a video in the future that shows off the camera's excellent infrared capability. A lot of customers will appreciate the excellent nighttime color video that this camera is capable of capturing in an outdoor lit area such as this. Want to learn more about this 4K IP bullet camera? Please visit www.cctvcamerapros.com/B8. Thank you for watching.